Hi friends, welcome to Swati Surbhi Astro. Hope you all are doing well nowadays. Today in this video, we would be discussing about the three kinds of yogas which are formed by the planet Sun, which are the Vaisi Yoga, the Vasi Yoga and the Ubhayachari Yoga. Now let us discuss the significance and the formation of each of these yogas. But first we need to understand what the planet Sun represents. Sun is the king of the planetary cabinet. Sun represents our soul, our self-confidence, self-esteem, self-respect, prestige, pride, status, honor, fame, and also our father. So whenever the king of planets, which is Sun, is surrounded by auspicious planets on either side of it, then it leads to the formation of these solar yogas. Now starting with the Vaisi Yoga first. The Vaisi Yoga is formed whenever there is any planet other than Moon, Rahu and Ketu in the second house from the Sun. Now the second house represents our wealth, our speech, it shows our face and various other things. So whenever the Vaisi Yoga is formed in the chart of the native, it makes such a native very wealthy, fortunate and confident in his lifetime. But the point to be noted here is that the good Vaisi Yoga is generally formed by natural benefic planets only, which are Jupiter, Venus and Mercury. The presence of natural benefic planets like Jupiter, Venus and Mercury in the second house from the Sun lead to the formation of the good Vaisi Yoga in the chart of the native. But whenever natural malefic planets like Mars and Saturn are present in the second house from the Sun, then it leads to the dilution of the good results of the Vaisi Yoga. Now, if the Vaisi Yoga is formed by the planet Jupiter, then it makes the person very knowledgeable, and such a person is also able to make very good use of his knowledge in his lifetime. If the Vaisi Yoga is formed by the planet Venus, then it can make the person shy or timid by nature, but it can also give the person a very pleasant personality. Such a person can try his best to keep his near and dear ones happy all the time. Also, such a person can be very loving, affectionate and sweet in talking. If the Vaisi Yoga is formed by the planet Mercury, then such a person can be very intelligent, practical and business-minded. He can be very much confident about his analytical skills. Also, he can be a trader or can choose doing business as his profession over doing a job. If the Vaisi Yoga is formed by Mars, then it leads to the dilution of the good results. So such a person can be harsh in the way he speaks to others or in the way he interacts with others. And also such a person can be very straightforward in his lifetime. This trait of his personality can often create misunderstandings in his relationships with the other people. If the Vaisi Yoga is formed by the planet Saturn, then the person is hardworking but is pessimistic in nature. Also, such a person can be attracted towards doing the wrong things in his life. Now, let us talk about the Vasi Yoga. Now, the Vasi Yoga is formed whenever there is any planet other than Moon, Rahu and Ketu in the 12th house from the Sun. But the good Vasi Yoga is always formed by natural benefic planets like Jupiter, Mercury and Venus only. Okay, so if the Vasi Yoga is formed by the planet Jupiter, then such a person believes in spreading his knowledge to others. Such a person can be a very good guide, a very good mentor, a very good teacher. Also, such a person likes to speak the truth all the time. If the Vasi Yoga is formed by the planet Venus, then such a person can be very humble, kind-hearted and charitable by nature. If the Vasi Yoga is formed by the planet Mercury, then such a person can be a very good poet, he can be a very good writer, he can be a very good editor, he can be soft-spoken, beautiful and can be obedient to others. He can argue or fight lesser with others. He can be a peace-loving person at large in his lifetime. So this was about the Vasi Yoga. Now let us discuss about the strongest of the three solar yogas, which is the Ubhayachari Yoga. Now the Ubhayachari Yoga, which is the strongest of the three solar yogas, is formed whenever there are planets other than Moon, Rahu and Ketu on both the sides of Sun. Okay, so such a person is very fortunate, extremely confident, very self-respecting, learned, happy, healthy and long-lived. Such a native generally gets all kinds of comforts and pleasures in his life. However, the Ubhayachari Yoga should also be formed by natural benefic planets only for its results to be powerfully felt in the life of the native. Also, this yoga is strengthened when the sun is either in its own sign or the sun is exalted. And if the sun is devoid of any kind of malefic impact on it, means the sun is not aspected or conjunct any malefic planets like Mars, Saturn, Rahu or Ketu, then it leads to the further strengthening of the Ubhayachari Yoga. Additionally, you should also check if you have the presence of any of these solar yogas in the D9 chart as well. If there is repetition of any of these solar yogas in the D9 chart also, then you can expect to get very good results in the Mahadasha of the planet Sun. You can also expect to become a very powerful and a very famous person, especially in the Mahadasha or in the Antardasha of the planet Sun. So friends, this was all about this video. If you all liked this video and gathered some knowledge out of it, then please do share it with your friends and family members. Also, please subscribe my channel. The name of my channel is Swati Surbhi Astro. I would keep putting in more efforts to bring better videos for you in the future as well. Thank you.